This is Village Auto's 2007 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT extended cab with a Z71 four-wheel drive off-road package, Shortbox. Very clean two-owner truck. You have the tow package, sprayed bed liner, the custom painted alloy wheels, fender flares. Very sharp, well-maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.3 liter Vortec V8 along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $11,480. Let's get inside here for you. Being the extended cab, this one does have the four doors. Very clean cloth interior. You do, of course, have full power options. Folding center console, but this was a 6-passenger truck. AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input. Dual automatic climate control. Electronic four-wheel drive switch with auto feature. Tow haul mode. Also have OnStar. Steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. Info controls. Altogether very clean, very well maintained truck that runs and drives out excellent. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2007 Chevy Silverado home with you today.